Good evening, students. Can you hear me? ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, fine.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I think sir has already shared the material. That is alcohols, phenols, ethers. Right? Today we can discuss this alcohols, phenols, and ethers. Right? Yeah. We can discuss directly question and answer. As and when required, I will give some important or noteworthy point. Got it? Artha aitala? As and when required, I will give the noteworthy point or shortcut method to remember the more points. Yes? Shall I start now? Yes. All of you open your questions. Yes. Shall I start with the first question? Start Marana. Yes. Yeah. Otherwise, you want to discuss some noteworthy point first? Beda. After completion or as and when required, I will give the importance. Yes. First point. First question. In order to prepare secondary propyl alcohol by using methyl magnesium iodide, which of the following compound is required?
Option 3.
Option 3, ethanol. Ethanol means alcohols, phenols, and ethers. Yes, this is alcohols, phenols, and ethers. Option first one, ethanol. Third option, that is ethanol. What is the formula of ethanol? What is the formula of ethanol?
CH3 CHO.
CH3 CHO. This is called as a ethanol. AL or OL?
AL.
AL. ಅದೇ OL ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? OL. What is the formula of OL?
H2OH.
Yes, CH3 CH2OH or C2H5OH. Got it? You know that idukku difference. Pronunciation is same, but illi OL agutte, illi AL agutte. Yes. OL adre alcohols agutte, AL adre aldehydes agutte. So OLs anta bandaga, that is called as a RCH, aldehydes agutte. AL antandaga enagutte, ROH agutte. That's all. Yeah, I told you, as and when required, I will give the noteworthy point. You can note down, right? Yes. Yes. Usually, yeah. Yeah, here that is aldehydes, usually secondary propyl alcohols. Nodi illi secondary alcohols. Nodi inno noteworthy point kodta idini. Secondary alcohols plus Grignard reagent addition agutte. Addition agi followed by hydrolysis. Hydrolysis ಆದರೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ you will get what? ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? RCHO ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಟರ್ಷಿಯರಿ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ, ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್, ಟರ್ಷಿಯರಿ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ಸ್, Grignard reagent. What is the general formula of Grignard reagent?
RMGX.
Yes, very good. Sure, na? RMGX is the general formula of Grignard reagent. What is R? What is R?
Alkyl group.
Alkyl group. Mg means magnesium, X means halogen.
Halogen.
Yes. So, idu noteworthy point. You can note down. Secondary alcohols Grignard reagent with react on hydrolysis ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ you get aldehydes ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ tertiary alcohols plus Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? What you will get? That is called as what? ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Ketones. This is the shortcut method you have to remember. Ketones. Idu aldehydes. That's all. I hope it's clear. If you want to go in detail, just go through the notes. Here is not required in detail. Just shortcut method is required. That's all. This. Yeah. Next. Aldehyde ಗೆ ಅದು ನೇಮ್ ಏನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ ಆಲ್ಕೆನಾಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಆಲ್ಕೆನಾಲ್ ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೀಟೋನ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಎಂಡ್ ವಿತ್ OMe ಬರಬೇಕು. OMe ಇರಬೇಕು. Yes, next one. Which of the following is produced during the following reaction?
Sir, option
Option 2. Yes, methanol. That is CH3OH. This is called as a methanol CH3. What are the other names of CH3OH? They can also give.
Wood spirit.
Yes, very good. Wood spirit. What is another name? Different names you should know. Wood spirit. Wood spirit. Next, wood naphtha ಅಂತನೂ ಕರೀತಾರ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಬಿನಾಲ್ ಅಂತನೂ ಕರೀತಾರ. ಕಾರ್ಬಿನಾಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರ. ಐಯುಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ನೇಮ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Methanol. These are the different names of CH3OH. Or that can also give what is
third one yav sir? Wood naphthanol.
wood naphtha. Naphtha. NAPTHA. Naphtha alla naphtha. Methyl. Methyl alcohol. Anyone they can give. ಈ 6 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? Wood naphtha alla wood naphtha. Yes. You can copy this, all these points. This is more informative. Okay. Yeah. Next question. Third one. For the sequence of reaction, a compound A in the series is yes. ಇಲ್ಲಿ tertiary pentyl alcohol final product A is I think reverse reaction. Just now I have written go to the previous
Option 1.
yeah. No, I will go to the previous one, previous slide. Yeah, I hope you can get an idea from the second point. Just go through this. Just go through that point. You'll get an idea. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. I hope you can select the right answer. ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ? ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. Yeah. I think I have written ulta, right? Illala. Yeah, just a minute. Yeah. Reverse reaction. Reverse reaction.
Sir, option 1 only.
No, reverse reaction actually. 2-butanol. Tertiary butyl output. No. Actually, this you make it reverse. Just a minute. I have written reverse this reaction. Reverse, just a minute. Yeah, first one what I have written, there is aldehydes plus Grignard reagent, that is hydrolysis, gives secondary alcohols. Secondary alcohols. Secondary alcohols. Secondary alcohols.
Sir, that will give carboxylic acid, no, sir.
Wait. Just a minute. Ketones plus Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis to give tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohols. Actually, I was written ulta. Now you tell me the answer. What is the answer? Just I will show the reaction. Third one, yeah. Here you take acetone toluene, CH3, C double bond O, CH3. This Grignard reagent, that is CH3MgI, right? C2H5, right? Yeah, C2H5Mg. C2H5Mg. ಇದು ಆಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This C2H5 C2H5Mg ಇದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ MgI ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Just go through that. CH3 C CH3 C2H5 ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಇವಾಗ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ O MgI ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This on hydrolysis ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ the bond breaking takes place here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇದ್ದು ಅದು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು you get CH3 C CH3 C2H5, then you get OH plus what is the addition product? MgOH. This is the product. This is called as a tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl. Tertiary pentyl alcohol, not butyl. That is a tertiary pentyl alcohol. Tertiary pentyl is a tertiary pentyl alcohol. I hope it's clear now. Now, shortcut method, just now I told you that ketones plus Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis to give ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ದ tertiary alcohol system. Previous page just ನೋಡಿ. Aldehydes plus Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis to give secondary alcohols. Just this point you have to remember. Yes. Fourth one. Yeah. Fourth one. A plus K2Cr2O7 plus H2SO4 B and further oxidation to give acetic acid. If B in the sequence is, yes, what is B?
Option 3.
Option 3. Option 1, that is called as a ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol and oxidation gives, option
2.
no, option B should be aldehyde, acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde is there? No. Acetaldehyde is there. What is the formula of acetaldehyde? You know that it is CH3CHO. Iduna oxidation aitu andre, then you'll get acetic acid, CH3COOH. Right? E acetaldehyde barbeku anta. To get this acetaldehyde.
Question al propane anta kottavare.
Sorry?
Question al propane anta kottavare.
Oh. No. Then A is, if B in the given sequence is propane.
Option 2.
Sir, option 3.
Oh, then A, they are asking A. Yeah.
Option 3. Propyl alcohol.
Isopropyl.
No, they're asking. Yeah, they're asking sequence propanone. Then they're asking is what is A? A. Then A is, what is the answer?
Option 3.
Option 2.
Option 2 is the right answer. Isopropyl alcohol. This is the method you have to remember, that is oxidation. That is isopropyl, CH3 OH H. This is isopropyl alcohol. This is A. This on oxidation gives CH3 C double bond O CH3. This on further oxidation to give what? CH3 COOH. This is B. This is B, right? No, this is not required actually. I will come to the noteworthy point for this one. This is the shortcut method. For this one, the option is 2. For this one, option is 2. Here, you know that primary alcohols on oxidation gives what? Yen barata?
Aldehyde.
Very good. Aldehydes barata. Aldehydes on further oxidation?
Carboxylic acid.
Carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids barata. Next to, these are the important points. Secondary alcohols on oxidation gives yen barata?
Ketones.
Yes. Secondary alcohols oxidation gives ketones. Ketones on further oxidation gives what?
Acid.
Carboxylic acids. Okay. Next to tertiary alcohols. tertiary alcohols on oxidation gives alkenes. Alkenes alkenes on further oxidation to give carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids. In these two conditions, having the carboxylic acids having less number of carbon atoms. Yadali carboxylic acids. Idrali, in the first case, having same number of carbon atoms. Same number of carbon atoms. Just you can see the above reaction. In the above reaction, you can see that secondary alcohol, that is isopropyl alcohol, oxidation adaga ketones bandire. Ketones on further oxidation to give acetic acid bandire. But in the isopropyl alcohols, how many carbon atoms are there? Artha aagta idya? Are you following? In this one, this is a secondary alcohol. This is a secondary alcohol, right? Oxidation adaga ketones bandide. Ketones on further oxidation adaga en bandide carboxylic acids. Having the same number of carbon atoms? No, right? Having less number of carbon atoms. The final carboxylic acids having less number of carbon atoms compared to the secondary alcohols. But primary alcohols are oxidation adre aldehydes barutte. Aldehydes on further oxidation gives carboxylic acids having same number of carbon atoms. Just I will give an example. Note. Primary alcohols, I will take CH3, CH2OH. Yes, oxidation. This is ethanol. Ethanol oxidation takes place to give what? CH3, CHO. Acetaldehyde barutta. Acetaldehyde on further oxidation gives acetic acid. CH3, COOH. Nodi. Idrallu 2 carbons ide. In ethanol 2 carbons ide. This is the difference. I hope I'm telling extra. Is it okay? Yeah. Next point. Lucas test can be used to distinguish between. What is Lucas test? What is the Lucas reagent?
HCl plus anhydrous zinc chloride.
Yes, concentrated HCl and anhydrous zinc chloride, ZnCl2. Anhydrous, that is free from moisture. Yes, anhydrous zinc chloride is what is a Lucas reagent. What is the use of Lucas reagent? It is used to distinguish between primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohols. Just remember the distinguished test between primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohols. Right? Primary alcohols reacts with Lucas reagent. Yes?
Sir, option 3.
Option?
3.
Yes, very good. You can identify the primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohols present. Option 3 is the answer. Yes, you know that primary alcohols reacts with Lucas reagent after 10 minutes or immediately.
So primary alcohol doesn't react in room temperature.
Yes, room temperature. What about secondary alcohols? React after 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Or tertiary alcohols react immediately. Immediately react. That is the order of reaction. Yes. Next. Next one. Yeah. Which of the following compound on its oxidation gives methyl ethyl ketone?
Sir, option 4.
Yes, very good. What is the Shivana? Methyl.
No, sir.
Yarappa. What is your name?
Meghnath, sir.
Sorry?
Meghnath.
Meghanath. Yeah, very good, Meghanath.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Methyl ethyl ketone. This is. Yes. Yeah. Methyl ethyl ketone. Which of the following compound is on its oxidation gives what? Methyl ethyl ketone. ನಾನು ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಆ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ನೋಟ್ವರ್ತಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟನಲ್ಲ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ನೋ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is secondary butyl alcohol. Yes, that is option 4, right? Yes. Next, 7th one. Seventh one or 6th one, right? Sorry, the number. Yes. Which of the following will react fastest with the Lucas reagent? Just now. Option
3.
Yes, option 3. Why?
Sir, because it's tertiary
Tertiary.
alcohol.
It is a tertiary alcohol, right? Because that is a tertiary alcohol. Yes. Which of the following alcohol is least soluble in water? Least soluble in water. You know that alcohols are soluble in water. What is the reason?
Formation of hydrogen bonds.
Very good. Formation of hydrogen bond. But in this reaction, question, there is you can see that I think all are equally soluble.
Sir, option 3, sir.
Option 3, what is that they are given? Yeah. Option
It's
3.
secondary.
That is not secondary alcohol actually. That is they are given CH3, CH2, twice they have given. That is OH. That means CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. There is a meaning. These soluble. It is CH3. These soluble. All are primary alcohols, right? Is first one is methyl alcohol. Second one is ethyl alcohol. Fourth one is propanol. Right? Fourth
Yes,
one is soluble.
Sir, molar mass is
Molar mass. Yeah, if it is increasing the molar mass, so solubility decreases.
yes,
No,
sir.
all are primary alcohols. I hope that is all are equally soluble. Yes, all are equally primary. Because of primary, the OH group is free, right? OH group is free iradrinda equally soluble. Just fourth one. Yes, ninth one. Power alcohol is a mixture of petrol and ethanol in the ratio. First option. That is what is the 4:4 what?
1.
1. 4:1. Or ಇದನ್ನು ಈ ತರನು ಕೊಡಬಹುದು 80% or 80% ಇಷ್ಟು 20% ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. That is a mixture of petrol and ethanol. That is absolute alcohol. Okay. In the ratio 4:1, What is the use of that one? It is used as a motor fuel ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಮೋಟಾರ್ ಫ್ಯೂಯಲ್. ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಜೊತೆ 4 ಲೀಟರ್ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 ಲೀಟರ್ ಎಥನಾಲ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು you can run the vehicle. You know that because of that is increase in the cost of what? Petrol. What is the cost of petrol per liter? ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆಯೋ? 100 and 105 ಇದೆ. But ethanol we can get at least on the 40 to 50 rupees per liter. If you mix 4:1 ratio dalli we can use a motor fuel. That is used as a motor fuel. Mix ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು use ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. That is the use of power alcohol. Note ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Yes, absolute alcohol is
Option 2.
option 2. That is 100% ethanol is called as a what? 100% ethyl alcohol or ethanol is called as a absolute alcohol. Other 91% ethanol is called as a what we call 95%. That is called as a rectified spirit. Note down, 95% is called as a rectified spirit. Yes. Next, 11th one. Yes, which is the correct order of reactivity of alcohols in the following reaction?
Sir, option 3.
Yes, because what is the way? You know that is a Lucas reagent. Alva? Lucas reagent ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ that is option 3. Yes, CH3 CH2OH can be converted into CH3 CH2 by
Option 3.
yes, option 3. The treatment with pyridium chlorochromate anta ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Usually ನಾನು just now have shown that primary alcohols alva, primary alcohols an oxidation gives ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ aldehydes ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Aldehydes are more readily undergo oxidation to give carboxylic acids immediate agi. Aldehydes are more reactive for the oxidation to give carboxylic acid. We want to stop the reaction itself. Aldehyde stage ge stop ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ we have to use PCC, pyridium chlorochromate ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. That we use ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, we can stop at aldehyde stage. It does not undergo further oxidation to give carboxylic acids. Yes. Next, that is option 3. Like that. Option, this is also 3. Next, 13. The process of converting alkyl halides into alcohols involving.
Sir,
Option 2.
substitution reaction.
Yes, substitution reaction. Correct. Substitution reaction. Yeah. Which of the following compound is aromatic alcohol?
Option 3.
Option 3 is correct. Aromatic ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಬೆಂಜಿನ್ ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಬೆಂಜಿನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 3 ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಹೋಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೆಂಜೈಲ್ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್, 3-methyl ಬೆಂಜೈಲ್ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್, ಇವೆರಡೂನು aromatic alcohol. Yes. Next, 15. Yes. The compound B formed in the sequence of reaction. Yeah, ಇದು previous chapter do.
Option 2.
Yes, that is called as a propene. Very good. Propene is the answer. What is A here? A ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
Sir,
Propyl chloride.
chloride.
There is CH propyl chloride, CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then B ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲಿಕ್ KOH ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿಹೈಡ್ರೋಹ್ಯಾಲಜಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಡಿಹೈಡ್ರೋಹ್ಯಾಲಜಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಗೆಟ್ propene formation. This is the product. This is propene. This is propene. This is propene. Next, which of the following reagent will convert the propanoic acid to propane 1-all?
Sir, option 4.
Yes, option 4. That is called as a reducing agent agi use ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Lithium aluminum hydride. Okay. Yes. A fruit smell is obtained by the reaction of ethanol with.
Sir, option 3.
Option? Yeah,
3.
option 3. Can you name the reaction?
Esterification.
Yes, very good. Esterification reaction. Can you tell me what are the reagent involved in the esterification?
Alcohol plus carboxylic acid will give esters.
Esters in the presence of one more acid.
Concentrated H2SO4.
Yes, that act as a
Dehydrating.
dehydrating agent, as well as catalyst agi act agi you get esters having fruity odor. Yes, esters having fruity odor. Yeah, ee tara keltare. Okay, 18th. 18th. Yeah. Next question. CH3 twice CHOH, mild oxidation gives X. X again treating with CH3 MgBr followed
Sir,
by
option
hydrolysis Y.
Option 2.
1.
Option
1.
2.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರೋದೇನು Y ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Sir, it just comes back to the original one.
Sorry.
Sir, first it's oxidized to aldehyde, then it gets reduced back to alcohol, secondary alcohol.
Secondary or tertiary?
Yes.
No. What about the starting compound? Is it a secondary alcohol or primary alcohol?
Secondary alcohol.
Yeah, secondary alcohols mild oxidation ಆಯ್ತು ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ketones.
Ketone.
Yeah, next to noteworthy point ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ, ketones Grignard reagent followed by hydrolysis ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, noteworthy point, just go back.
Tertiary alcohol.
Yeah, tertiary alcohol ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇದು ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ಹುಡುಕಿ tertiary alcohol.
Option 2.
Yeah, option 2. I hope it's clear. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತನಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ that shortcut method, noteworthy point, what I am already given, that is very important. Yes. Next. Then I will show that for that A is ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, CH3 C ketones. Yeah, ketones ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Ketones, it is nothing but C double bond O, CH3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Then B is sorry, X ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು, X ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Y ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, Y is tertiary butyl alcohol, that is CH3 C CH3 OH CH3. This is Y. Yes. Next question. 19th. Answer correct ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? Second ಬರ್ತಲ್ಲ, yes. Next. Which of the following is most illala? Yeah. Esters are functional isomers of.
Sir, ether.
Sorry, ethers are the functional isomers of.
Alcohols.
Yes, alcohols. Very good. There is a third option, right? You don't know. You have to remember the shortcut methods. Here, note ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾವುದು ವೈಸ್ ವರ್ಸ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ. ಈಥರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕೀಟೋನ್ಸ್ ಐಸೋಮರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾಗ್ಬೋದು?
Acid.
ಎಸ್, ಕಾರ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಲಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಈ ನೋಟ್ ವರ್ತಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು ದಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೆನ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ದ ನೋಟ್ ವರ್ತಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ಇಟ್. Yes, just go through it. You won't get again this noteworthy point. Keep a long notebook and make a note of all these shortcut methods. Yes, next. When 20. Yeah, when primary alkyl halides reacts with alkoxide, the product is
Ether.
yes, ethers. Oh, can you name the reaction, that one?
Williamson ether.
Yes, very good. Williamson's ether synthesis anta irutte. That is sodium or potassium alkoxide reacts with alkyl halides to give ether. This reaction is called as a Williamson's ether synthesis anta kariti. Very good. Yes. Next question. On boiling with concentrated HBr, phenyl ethyl ether will give. On boiling with concentrated HBr, phenyl ethyl ether. This is the formula of phenyl.
Sir, bromobenzene and ethanol.
Ether allo. Phenyl ethyl ether. Yeah. C2H5. Yes. This sun treating
Option 1.
HBr jothe heat ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ what are the products formation takes place ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿ.
Phenol and ethyl bromide.
Yes, first option. Phenol bond breaking takes place here, then hydrogen adds to the here, then bromine adds to C2H. Then you get phenol and ethyl bromide formation. Yeah. 22nd. In Williamson synthesis, ethoxyethane is prepared by ethoxyethane. What is the formula of ethoxy?
Option 4.
Yes, very good. Again, I think Shivu is not there today.
I'm there, sir.
You are. I think who is answering? Just now we told his name. Another. Meghanath. Yeah. Meghanath.
Yes, sir.
Shivu ಏನ್ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಇವತ್ತು? ಇಲ್ಲ,
Sir,
ಸರಿ.
I was reading.
Replacing.
I was reading the question, sir.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Okay. I hope ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಎಸ್, ನೋಡಿ ವಿಲಿಯಮ್ಸನ್ಸ್ ಈಥರ್ ಸಿಂಥಸಿಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಎಥಾಕ್ಸಿ ಈಥೇನ್ ಅಂತ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಎಥಾಕ್ಸಿ ಈಥೇನ್? C2H5O C2H5.
CH.
Ethoxy, yeah, ethane, ethoxy ethane. It is correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is called as a ethoxy group. This is called as a ethane. Ethane. This is called as a ethoxy group. ಈ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ನ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದು ರಿಯೇಜೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ sodium ethoxide and ethyl bromide. What is the formula of sodium ethoxide?
C2H5ONA.
C2H5ONA plus ethyl bromide. C2H5. Yes. The sodium bromine combined agata minus sodium bromide agata, then you will get ethoxy ethane. Okay. What is the common name for ethoxy ethane?
Diethyl ether.
Yes, very good. Diethyl ether. Yes, Meghanath. Yeah. Next, 23rd. 23rd. Yes. Yeah. The ether that undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction is
Sir, option
Option
2.
2.
option 2. Why?
Sir,
Anisole.
because benzyl group is more.
Yes, because that is aromatic. The aromatic compounds undergo easily electrophilic substitution reaction. Got it? Benzene irbeku.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, what is the option? That is 2. What is the name of that one?
Anisole.
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 Sir, anisole is C6H5CH3, no, sir.
No. Oh, C6H5 OCH3. Anisole. What is another name? Anisole.
Methyl phenyl ether.
Huh?
Methyl phenyl ether.
Yes, methyl phenyl ether. What is the IUPAC name? Ether no kodbodu. What is IUPAC name?
Methoxybenzene.
Methoxybenzene. This is methoxy, this is benzene. Yeah, ಆ ತರನು ಕೇಳಬಹುದು, right? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? Yes.
Yes, sir.
24. Next. Yeah, an ether is more volatile than alcohol having the same molecular formula. This is due to
Option 4.
Option 4, sir. Intermolecular
intermolecular hydrogen bonding in alcohol.
alcohol.
Yes. But there is no intermolecular force in ethers, therefore ethers having more volatile. Ethers are more volatile. Yes, next question. Which of the following compound gives characteristic blue color with ferric chloride solution?
Phenol.
Phenol.
Option. What is that name of the test?
Neutral ferric chloride test.
Neutral ferric chloride test ಅಂತನು ವೈವಾ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಥಿಯರಿಲೂ ಇದೆ, right? Yes. Next, phenol on distillation with zinc dust.
Zinc phenoxide.
Benzene.
Very good. Benzene ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Phenol on heating with zinc dust. Zinc dust plus zinc ಜೊತೆ heat ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, okay, it gives benzene plus you will get zinc oxide. ಈ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊರಟೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಜಿಂಕ್ ಜೊತೆ ಕಂಬೈಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಜಿಂಕ್ ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್. Yes, phenol. Yes, Next one. When phenol is heated with chloroform alkali, the compound formed is
Option 2.
Salicylic.
option.
Option 2.
2.
Yes, option 2. Can you name the reaction?
Reimer-Taymer
Uh,
reaction.
Reimer-Taymer reaction.
Yes, Reimer-Tayman reaction. So Reimer-Tayman reaction in convert martira? Phenol is converted into
Salicylic
Salicylic.
aldehyde.
salicylic
Aldehyde.
salicyl aldehyde, right? Ade innondide coal base reaction. This is
Salicylic
Reimer-Tayman
acid.
reaction. Phenol is converted into salicylic acid. Salicylic acid. ಯಾವ್ದದು?
The coal base reaction.
Coal base reaction. That is called as a Reimer-Tayman reaction. Yeah, ಈ ತರ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Yes, 27. Yeah, next question. The compound which react with sodium hydroxide but not with sodium bicarbonate.
Phenol.
The compound which react with sodium hydroxide but not
Salicylic acid.
sodium. The
Phenol.
compound react with NaOH. The compound react with NaOH to give ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Sodium phenoxide.
Sodium phenoxide.
Sodium phenoxide, but sodium bicarbonate right? No. Answer is ethyl alcohol. Answer is ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol also reacts with sodium hydroxide. Right? To
Yes, sir.
give sodium methoxide ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Sodium ethoxide ಬರುತ್ತೆ. But it does not react with sodium bicarbonate because it is a less acidic.
Even phenol is less acidic, sir.
But compared to alcohol and phenol, which one is less acidic?
Alcohol.
Alcohol.
Alcohol is less acidic. But phenol is more acidic ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ it can react with the base sodium bicarbonate. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ react ಆಗಿ it gives some effervescence. It liberates some carbon dioxide. I hope it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, because of strength of acids. Yes, 27. What is the answer?
So that's 28th.
What is it?
28th 2.
You are 27th discuss what is the answer?
2, sir. That is also 2, sir.
2, sir.
2, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28.
2.
2. Yeah, ethyl alcohol. Yeah. Next, picric acid is
Option 1.
Option 2, sir.
yes, option 2. 2, 4, 6 tribromophenol. Yes,
Nitrophenol.
sorry, trinitrophenol. Tribromola, trinitrophenol. Trinitrophenol. This is the OH, NO2, NO2. This is called as a picric acid. Picric acid. I hope it's clear. Picric acid. ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಾ answer 28. Next 29 ಅಲ್ಲ?
29 also 2.
Yeah. How will you get picric acid?
Nitration.
Nitration
Sir,
of
concentrated HNO3 with concentrated H2SO4.
yes, that is called as a nitrate emission. That is phenol and nitric acid and sulfuric acid jothe heat ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ you will get what? Picric acid.
acid.
Next to 29th, Allah.
30th, sir.
29 or 30th?
Next is 30th.
30.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is the question number? Yeah. The salicylate aldehyde is formed when phenol is heated with chloroform and sodium hydroxide. This reaction is known as
First one, sir.
Option 1.
first one option. Yes. Yes. In coal-based reaction, the reacting substances are
Option 3.
option 3. Option 3 is the answer. That is coal-based reaction ಅಲ್ಲಿ phenol. Sometimes phenol ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? Phenol plus sodium hydroxide plus carbon dioxide, right? ಕೊಟ್ಟು
Yes, sir.
you can get the final. That is called as a coal-based reaction. What is the final product of coal-based reaction?
Salicylic acid.
Yes, salicylic acid. Can you name the IUPAC name of salicylic acid?
2-hydroxybenzoic acid.
That's very good. 2-hydroxybenzoic acid. Salicylic aldehyde.
2-hydroxy
Benzaldehyde.
benzaldehyde.
Benzol. Very good. Only 2-3 students are more interacting. I don't know what about others. Yeah. Next. Next question. When
32.
treated, yeah, 32. Yeah, when treated with the bromine water, phenol it gives a white precipitate.
Sir, option 4.
Option
2,4,6.
Option 4.
Tribromophenol.
Tribromophene. But bromine water adre you will get the product. Bromine water adre you will get 2, 4, what 6
6 tribromophenol.
Tribromo
Phenol.
bromophenol ಬರುತ್ತೆ. But ಇದು phenol. ಇದು phenol. Yes. But ಅದೇ bromine in presence of acetic acid ಇರಬಹುದು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
Sir, mixture of parabromophenol and
Yes, ಅವಾಗ ಆರ್ಥೋ and
parabromophenol.
bromophenol ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಬ್ರೋಮಿನ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಆದ್ರೆ 2, 4, 6 ಟ್ರೈಬ್ರೋಮೋಫಿನಾಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಟ್ರೈಬ್ರೋಮೋಫಿನಾಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಬ್ರೋಮಿನ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಸಿಟಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಆರ್ಥೋಬ್ರೋಮೋಫಿನಾಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಬ್ರೋಮೋಫಿನಾಲ್. ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಿಕ್ರಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಪಿಕ್ರಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ HNO3
the presence of concentrated H2SO4.
ಎರಡು ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟೆಡ್. ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಪಿಕ್ರಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್
2,4,6
ಟ್ರೈಬ್ರೋಮೋಫಿನಾಲ್. ಬಟ್ ಅದೇ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಯೂಸ್ ನೈಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್
H2SO4 aqueous HNO3.
yes aqueous HNO3 ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ
Ortho and parabromophenol.
ನೈಟ್ರೋಫಿನಾಲ್. ರೈಟ್? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತೇನಪ್ಪ? These are the things you have to remember. I hope you are following. Those who have learned very well that organic chemistry, they can follow. Easy artha aagta hai. I can understand. But those who have studied only few reactions, it is very difficult to follow. Organic is very interesting than any other part of chemistry. Yeah. What is the question number 33? 33. Yeah. The functional group present in Cresol.
Sir,
Option
option 3.
Option 3. That is phenolic OH. That is, there are different cresols are there, orthocresol, metacresol, paracresol, something like that. There is phenolic OH group. Option 3. Kotala cresol
Yes, sir.
OH CH3. ಇದು ಆರ್ಥೋಕ್ರೆಸಾಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ಪ್ಯಾರಾ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಪ್ಯಾರಾ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ CH3 ಇದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಕ್ರೆಸಾಲ್, ಮೆಟಾ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ CH3 ಇದ್ರೆ that is called as a metacresols. Okay, there are different types of cresols. This the reaction of phenol with the dilute HNO3 ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್.
Option 2.
Yes, option 2. Very good. Next, 35. Phenol is more acidic than alcohol because
Sir, no, sir. Previous to that, X plus H2O.
X ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, X plus H2O heat above 50 degrees centigrade gives phenol
Option 4.
as one of the product X can be.
Option 4.
Option 4. Yeah, there is benzene diazonium chloride. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? Benzene diazonium chloride water ಜೊತೆ heat ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಾ? You get
Phenol.
phenol formation. Very good. That is 35 ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅದು question number. Question number 35. That is answer is next 36. Yeah, phenol is more acidic than alcohol because
Option 1.
Option 1.
yes, option 1. That is phenoxide ion is stabilized by resonance. Yes. Because of delocalization of electron takes place. You know that phenoxide ion ಅದು ಫೀನಾಲ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಫೀನಾಲ್ ಇದು ಅಯನೈಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ O minus plus H plus. ಈ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ delocalization takes place electrons. Therefore, phenoxide ion is more stabilized. Therefore, it is more acidic. But in case of alcohols, what is the general formula of alcohols? ROH. But usually it does not ionize. Yakeli, what is the reason for it does not ionize?
Less stabilized.
Yeah.
Less
Sir, it has
stabilized.
partial double bonds property.
ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ alcohols? No. That is alcohols ಅಲ್ಲಿ R group and electron releasing group. That the effect is called as a
Less stable, sir.
positive inductive effect ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ವಾ? Positive inductive effect. Then electron density on the oxygen ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Increase ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Therefore, it does not lose hydrogen easily. Hydrogen easily ಕಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ. That is the reason.
एक एक्स्ट्रा चार्जर हाँ ऐसा दो साल का वीवो के
Please
इसकी
mute.
वजह से हाँ हैंग अगर मैं एक्स्ट्रा चार्जर ऐसा
Please mute your mobile.
हैंग बैक में रखी थे ऐसा तस्वीर होती है
Hello. Please.
ये वीवो के दो चीज नहीं है चक्कर से पहले बुरा तो था
Who is that?
दो वीवो के चार्जर लगा था
Can't see
एक
here.
के वायर चले जाने में
If you don't mute, I will remove from the class. Yeah. Next question. Yeah. Carbolic acid.
Sir, option 3.
Option D.
Option 4. C6H5. Phenol is also called as a carbolic acid. Carbolic acid. Yeah, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ C2H5OH. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೇನು ನೇಮ್ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? What is the name of this C2H5OH?
Phenol.
Ethanol.
No, ethanol.
Ethyl alcohol is a common name. What is the IUPAC name?
Ethanol.
Ethanol.
Ethanol. This is also called as a spirit. Spirit of wine ಅಂತಾನು ಕರೀತಾರೆ. because that is used in what alcoholic beverages are used ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Therefore, it is also called as a spirit of wine. Then this is also called as a methyl carbinol ಅಂತಲೂ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Methyl carbinol. These are the different names. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. C6H5OH ಏನಂತ ಕಾರ್ಬೋಲಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಫಿನಾಲ್ ಅಂತಲೂ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, which one is incorrect statement?
Sir, option 1.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡು, incorrect, underline. So not correct to incorrect ಈ ತರ ಇದ್ದಾಗ you have to very
Option
careful.
3.
Yes, very good. Option 3. Incorrect ಈ ತರ ಇದ್ದಾಗ you should be careful. 2-3 ಸರಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಓದ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಫಿನಾಲ್ gives effervescence with sodium bicarbonate solution. ನೋಡಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕೂ 2-3 questions there is a link. ಹೌದಾ?
Yes, sir.
2-3 questions ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಕ್ಕೆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಇದೆ. Yes. Next, electrophilic substitution in phenol generally occurs at
Option 1.
yes, option 1. 39 1. Yes. 40. Yes. Next, cumin is a compound used for commercial preparation of phenol. Chemically, cumin is
Isopropyl benzene.
isopropyl benzene. Option 2 ಅಲ್ಲ. This is cumin. Cumin process of manufacture of what? Phenol. This is called as a isopropyl benzene. What is the HYPACK name of this one? I hope you can answer now.
Isopropyl benzene. Isopropyl benzene.
Isopropyl benzene is a common name. Yeah. Yes. Two phenyl propane. Yes. Next, decarboxylation of sodium salicylate with soda lime forms.
Phenol.
Yes, phenol. Decarboxylation of sodium salicylate with soda lime, it gives phenol. Option 2. The sodium salicylate ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು COONA OH. Sodium salicylate. If this one decarboxylation ಆದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಫುಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಹೊರಟೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. COONA ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿಯೋದೇನು ಫಿನಾಲ್ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. Is option 2. Option 2. Yes. Next, 43.
42, sir.
42 ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah, 42. So, okay, fine. Yeah. Next, C2H5OH is
Option 2, primary
2.
alcohol.
yes, option 2. That is primary alcohol. ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಸೂಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Next, C6H5CH2OH is a
Option 4.
Option 4, benzoyl alcohol.
ಬೆಂಜಾಯಿಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ನೋಡು ಸರಿ ನೋಡು. ಬೆಂಜೈಲ್.
Sir, option 3.
Option 3, an aromatic alcohol. Option 3, 43 ಗೆ 3 aromatic. Benzoyl. Benzyl ಆದ್ರೆ C6H5 CH2OH ಆದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ C6H4 CH3OH is an ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು.
Phenol. No, not phenol.
Yes, correct. It is a phenol. ನೋಡಿ, cresol. OH CH3. ನೋಡಿ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆನಾ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is a phenol. Next, 40.
Sir, okay.
ಹೌದಾ? There you go. Yes.
No, sir.
The secondary alcohol can be represented by the general formula.
Sir, option 3.
What is answer? Option 2.
3.
Option 2. You take one example. A secondary alcohol ಯಾವ್ದು ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀಯಪ್ಪ? CH3.
Secondary alcohol, no, sir. In option 2, it is CN H2N plus 2O.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ CnH2n plus OH ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ, ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೋ, ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಇದು ಐಸೋಪ್ರೊಪೈಲ್ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್, ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್? C3 ಇದೆಯಾ? 3 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇದೆ. ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆಯಪ್ಪ?
8.
8. C3H8 ಆಮೇಲೆ O. ಇವಾಗ ಅದು ಜನರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ N ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತೀಯ ಈಗ? ಯಾವ್ದು ಸೂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡು?
Option 2.
Option 2 na? Yes. Don't select blindly if it is OH group is there. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ?
Yes.
Yes. 46. Yes. CH3 CH2 ಅದು twice ಇದೆ. CH3 twice CH2 OH is called
Secondary butyl alcohol. No. N-butyl alcohol.
ಸರಿ ನೋಡೋದು. Yeah, this is the one.
N-butyl.
Sir, option 1.
ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ?
Sir, N-butyl alcohol.
Is it N-butyl alcohol?
Sir, isobutyl alcohol.
Yes, it is a isobutyl alcohol. Fourth, isobutyl alcohol. Okay. Yes. Next. Yes. Next. In the reaction, CH3 CH double bond CH2. ಏನದು? HX ಅಲ್ಲ? HX gives A is treated with silver hydroxide. B is
Sir, primary alcohol. Option 3.
Sir, option 2.
Very good. Option 2 is the answer. 7. Option 2. Explain ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? A ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ? A ಆದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅದು?
CH3 CHX CH.
A ಯಾವ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅದು? Which one?
Markovnikov's rule.
Yes, very good. Markovnikov's rule. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? CH write it and show 47 ಅಲ್ವಾ? 47. Answer is 2. A is CH3 CH Br CH3 ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? A,
Yes, sir.
B ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? It is 2 propanol, right? CH3, CH, OH, CH3. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಇದು ಬ್ರೋಮಿನ್ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಬ್ರೋಮೈಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಬ್ರೋಮೈಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then isopropyl alcohol. Yes. Next 48. Yes. 2-methyl 2-iodopropane on treating with aqueous KOH gives.
Tertiary
Sir,
alcohol.
option 3.
Yes, option 3. Treating with aqueous. Tertiary alcohol. Which can you name the reaction? This one?
The
Mechanism.
substitution reaction.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು. It is a SN1 mechanism ತಾನ?
Yes, sir.
SN1 mechanism is nothing but SN1 mechanism, right? Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Tertiary halide.
Yeah. Next one is yeah. In the conversion of CH4 group to CH2OH group, the hydrogen atoms are added to.
Sir, option 2.
Option 2, both carbon and oxygen atoms. Option 2. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ RC ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ CH4 ಅಲ್ವಾ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕದು. R C ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ O H ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ CHO group is converted to CH2OH ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೈಟ್. ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ R C H H OH ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚಸ್ ಬೋತ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್. Yes. Next. Yeah, ethanol can be converted into ethyl ethanoate by the action of.
Sir, option 4.
Yes, option 4. That is what is the ethanoic acid. You know how many questions are there?
So still 7.
7. No? Yeah, shall you complete?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. 54 into it's 51. 51. Yeah. In the reaction C2H5OH, another HBr, HX, HX zinc chloride. Alga artha agbeku. What is that reagent?
Lucas reagent.
Yes, Lucas reagent. B, that is on treating with sodium in ether. C is
Butane.
Yes.
Butane, sir.
ಯಾವುದು N-butane ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲ ಬರೀ ಬ್ಯೂಟೇನ್ ಎರಡು ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ,
Yes, sir.
ಬ್ಯೂಟೇನ್ ಅಂಡ್ N-butane ಅಂತ. ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಇನ್ ಡ್ರೈ ಈಥರ್ ಲುಕಾಸ್ ರಿಯೇಜೆಂಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ
Sir, Wurtz reaction.
ಯಾ Wurtz reaction ಅಲ್ಲ, sodium in dry ether.
Double the number of carbon. Then it is butane only, no, sir.
Yeah, butane. Yeah. ಇಲ್ಲಿ zinc chloride and HX. What is B here? B ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? What is B ಆಗುತ್ತೆ?
Ethyl chloride.
Yeah, very good. B is C2H5. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ HCl ಇದೆಯೋ HX ಇದೆಯೋ? HX
C2H5X, sir.
No, X ಅಲ್ಲ, yeah, X. Then C is ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? That is Wood's reaction ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3.
Yes.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಬ್ಯೂಟೇನ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? N ಬ್ಯೂಟೇನ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
Butane.
Butane. N butane is also there, right?
Yes, sir.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಗಿವ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ N butane ಗೆ ಕೊಡಿ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 2. ಎರಡು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಟ್ N butane ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ N butane. ಎರಡು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬ್ಯೂಟೇನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, N butane ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next, phenol is used as a starting material for the manufacture of drug is known as
Aspirin.
fourth option, that is called as a Dettol. Yeah, this is called as a Dettol anta gotta. This is called as a Dettol. Yes. Next is 53. Dettol ನಲ್ಲಿ use ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Next, what is you know that Dettol is a antiseptic agent ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ?
Yes, sir.
ಬಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಫಿನಾಲ್ ನ ಡಿಸ್ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. You know that what is the difference between antiseptic and disinfectant? Antiseptic agent agi we use a Dettol by hand wash, but disinfectant andra both having the same property to kill the germs kill ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ದ ಹೈ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದು ಫಿನಾಲ್. ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಫಿನಾಲ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ that is called as a less percentage idra Dettol use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, antiseptic ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. more percentage idra that is used as a disinfectant ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್. that is they are used in toilet cleaning ಮತ್ತೆ floor cleaning ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಹಾರ್ಪಿಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, that is containing more percentage of phenol. But Dettol ಎಲ್ಲ less percentage phenol. Hand wash. Yes. Next. Alcohols are less volatile than ethers because of alcohols are
Option 1. Option 1.
Option 2.
option 2. 53.
Okay.
Option 2. Last question. Phenol is treated with bromine. In C's carbon disulfide gives a mixture of orthobromophenol and
Parabromophenol. First one.
Option 3.
option 3 kano. 54 3. Next 55. Which of the following group when present in on the benzene ring will increases the acidity of phenol?
Option 4.
Yes, option 4. Both 1 and 3. Why?
Electron withdrawing groups.
Yes, electron withdrawing group increases the acidity of phenol. Electron releasing group decreases the acidity of phenol. This concept channel. Yes. Dehydration of N-butyl alcohol gives N-butyl alcohols. Idu sides.
Butane. No, butane. Butane.
Yeah, butane, right? Is 56, 56. Option 2, 1 butane. Next, the reaction of ethanol with concentrated H2SO4 gives
Option 3.
option 4, all of this, because it is very important. Alcohols reacts with or ethanol reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid at different temperature. Temperature condition kotre matra enagutte we can specify madbekagutte. If there is not given temperature, not given, but all can give. Artha aitappa?
Yes, sir.
Yes. ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಫ್ there is no temperature, then you have to select no. I hope it's clear. If you have any doubts, you can discuss in the next class.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. I think you can discuss in the next class. Already share ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೋದು aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. Just go through it. ಅದು ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ನೀವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ how fast I complete it, right? Otherwise I have to explain each and every step ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. It is very difficult and also you feel little bit bored ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.